And here we see two dinosaurs eating grass. They're both herbivores. Here we see an ankylosaurus with bony armor plating. Ankylosaurus had armor plating everywhere, even on its eyebrows, and its bony club. This club was made for defense, like its armor. And here we see the Parasaurolophus. It is also a herbivore, but it's a duck-billed dinosaur, meaning it's a duck-bill. Its horn thingy was used to alert the herd if there is any danger nearby. Speaking of danger nearby, here we see a Allosaurus.
Oh no.
Lurking in the bushes. Its green skin camouflaging itself within the green bushes. Allosaurus was a carnivore smaller than T-Rex, but faster too. Back to our herbivores. We see that the Ankylosaurus is eating food, but what's this? Has the Parasaurolophus spotted the Allosaurus? No, it hasn't, because they couldn't see it through its camouflage. But the Parasaurolophus is camouflaging itself like a flower. The head is like the flower colorful part, and its green body makes it so it's harder to find. But then the Allosaurus creeping in slowly. The Allosaurus slowly watches and waits. Perfect time to attack. It knows that the Ankylosaurus will be too hard for it to tip over, because the stomach regions are the only place where it's not protected. But then the Allosaurus, with its keen eye and keen sense of smell, sees a Parasaurolophus. It goes in. It slowly lurks in the grass until it will start its attack now. You're supposed to make honking noises. The Allosaurus jumps with speed, fighting and attacking these dinosaurs. Using its big arms and giant claws, it has killed and wounded the Parasaurolophus, and it's now eating its dead carcass. With a successful kill, it runs, it grabs and drags its kill. More. And then it puts it in the bushes where its nest is located and eats it. What about this? The Allosaurus gets back to eating grass, not caring about the non-Ankylosaurus. It just eats grass and then sleeps. The Allosaurus, however, is not sleeping and is eating its meal. Being very hungry and without a pack, Allosauruses are usually pack hunters, but this Allosaurus is a lone wolf, how do you say? Due to being neglected due to red-colored thingies that are more brightly colored than the others. So, as the Allosaurus, we see, dines on the flesh of this dead Parasaurolophus. This is the end. This was the time of the dinosaurs. Now I pan out. See, look. Now stop doing stuff. Boop. Dinosaurs are really cool. Now it's time for the credits. Credit. Ankylosaurus. Wait, I can do this myself. Ankylosaurus, voiced by Shane. Allosaurus, voiced by Devin. Parasaurolophus, voiced by Shane. And the narrator.
Ready, Devin?
Devin.
Wait.
Oh! Nature! Shut up, you're dead, I'm eating you. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, tastes like nature.
Nature!
Yum, 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 tastes like nature. And... Then grab the prop. You did good. I thought you were gonna fail, like last time we tried to make a dinosaur documentary. Watch out for poop. I know. Stepping in poop all too well. Okay, let's watch it. And then what are we gonna call the video?
Dinosaur document.
Dinosaur life.